I've decided to make and test a bunch of single oil soaps. I want to evaluate what each oil does on its own. I'm thinking this will be a practical guide for when it comes to formulating blends, when I can see what qualities each individual oil brings to the party. It's something I've been interested in doing for a while, and I'm not expecting to see vast differences between most of them, but there's only one way to find out for sure, and that's to do it. To keep things consistent for each test, I'm going to use 300 grams of oils. The super fat will be the standard 5% and water will be at 20%. The only difference is that I'm going to add a bit of colour to each one so I can keep track of which is which. I'll cut a few bars of each and test them at different time intervals, starting with when they're fresh out of the mould. I'm Rox. Let's crack on. Today I'm making 100% rice bran oil soap. Here's what it looks like on soap calc. Sorry it looks a tad blurred. It always does when I do a screenshot and edit it into a video. Rice bran oil isn't notably high in any one particular fatty acid, but it does contain a reasonable amount of palmitic acid and some stearic, so that should push it into creamy territory, and there's enough linoleic, oleic and linolenic acid for it to be conditioning. I like using rice bran oil in some dog soap blends, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it does on its own. I'll speed through the measuring and mixing because we want to get to the testing. That's the whole point here. The only thing to report about mixing this is that it came to a medium thick trace very quickly. It happened so quickly I thought I might be getting false trace, so carried on blending just in case. My oils and lye were at room temperature and it was a very hot day, so not much danger of it being too cold to bring on false trace. So maybe rice bran oil is just a fast tracer if there is such a thing. This set very quickly too. With the palmitic and stearic content, I was worried that it might get hard to cut if I didn't watch out, so this is about 15 hours later. As usual, I'm just chopping this into 5 little test-sized chunks. It's nice and firm but easy to cut, neither too soft nor hard. The soap has a good texture, smooth and a bit fudgy. Let's test it. So, right out of the mould, this rice bran oil soap is giving good bubble. I'm getting some voluptuous bubbles from the get-go and the lather is becoming silky and creamy. I'll test it again in a couple of weeks and compare it with this to see what, if anything, has changed. Anyway, that's 100% rice bran oil soap. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta!